What's up, guys? It's Kennedy from Dynamic Reactions, and we are here for Black Lightning Season 3, Episode 9, The Book of Resistance, Chapter 4, Earth Crisis, or as I am calling it, Crisis on Infinite Earths Part 2.5, because it really is. And we're dealing with Jennifer, kind of dealing with the effects of Crisis, which I'm really excited to see. I know Black Lightning is going to be on the Flash episode of the crossover tomorrow. You guys will be getting my reaction to that next week because I'm flying into Chicago tomorrow morning. Will not have my setup with me, so you will get it over the weekend when I get back home. But for now, we are here. We are now. And without further ado, let's get into this reaction.
Khalil?
Yes.
No, we buried Khalil.
Dad, I am telling you he's still alive. He killed Tavon, and if it was not for Uncle Gamby, he would have killed my ass too. So what I am saying to you is that I tried reasoning with him. I called his name. He was like a robot. Things have changed, Dad. And honestly, if you are not willing to kill, then you are gonna die.
It's true though.
Shonda, play Travis Scott.
Of course the energy would affect her. She's already out. It's too late. Oh God. Whoa.
What the? Wait, who the hell are you two? What is this place? Look at us. We're all the same, yet clearly different. Definitely different.
That
All I
Jennifer
remember is
looked
riding through the Red
extra.
Storm on my way.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. No. 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 Oh God, that's messed up.
The skies turn red.
Have you called your mom and dad?
Ooh.
Dad's on his way, but I still haven't been able to reach Mom. Can you try her? Maybe she's at the pit.
No, your mom's not in the pit anymore. During the Battle of Franklin Terrace, the ASA tried to lock your mom down. And I managed to get her out of there just in time.
Okay, but where is she right now?
Ooh. Don't tell me this lady is making green light. Shut up. Shut up right now. This woman is making green light in an apartment. I am angry.
Excuse me?
This escalation with the ASA, it's your fault. You decided to take a stand at Franklin Terrace, you. So now you made your bed, you go lie in it.
My fault. Lie in it. Come on, Lynn, you think this is all on me now?
Well, whose fault is it?
Guys,
Oh, God.
please.
Now it's
we
not
can
the
argue
time.
about fault later. Right now, we all have a lot of work to do if Jen's gonna survive the night.
She looks bad.
Where is the future? Right here. Whose life is this? Mine. What are you gonna do with it? Okay. Okay, that's it.
Oh. She's gone all
that
dark
case,
side on us, huh?
I'll get right to the point. Odell is using you, Jen.
Still nothing on what's turning the skies red, sir.
We have worse problems than air quality. Black lightning just
It's not
destroyed the
air
ASA
quality,
headquarters
idiot.
And everything that's in it, which leaves the pit as the only operational base in Freedom.
I'm laughing. This man just said air
I'm gonna
quality.
make the
Air
assumption
quality
that he
turn the
knows where
skies
pit is
red like
located.
that,
He
sir.
won't attack us because
With
he's
lightning,
weak-minded
sir.
and won't want to fight. The
It's
Mets
fresh off the street.
not for long. Dismissed.
Oh my God, we're doing this? Lynn!
It's just you and me, Dad.
Ooh.
It's just you and me. Where's the
future.
Dang,
right
China!
And whose life is this? It's mine! Look at me, Dad! This is the best part! Look at me! And how are you gonna live it? Oh. You won't.
Dang!
By any means necessary.
What is this Jennifer's damage? Oh my god.
There's nothing we can do?
I have tried everything I know.
Jennifer, you can hear me fight. Fight your way back, please.
Oh my god.
Jefferson! Flash! Oh my god, that's what the timer was for! Oh my god, where's Jennifer? Oh my god! I'm so mad I'm gonna be on a plane tomorrow and not at the house. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna watch this promo because I wanna be shook. Oh my god. That was such a good episode. First of all, beautiful acting from China. Gorgeous. She really differentiated the three gens really well. I enjoyed her being evil. She did a very, very good job. But yeah, leave me your thoughts. This was a really enjoyable episode, and I am heavily shook. Everyone's gone. All right. So as far as Crisis goes, I will see you guys this weekend. And I hope we survive. All right. Leave me your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know everything that you're thinking. And yeah, I'll see you guys this weekend. Peace out.